Hello everyone, friends on the Kalawella. Today I will show you how to download and install R and RStudios on Windows. Go to any browser and right here rFaucet download. So let's go to our project. Select download for Windows here. Accordingly, select install R for the first time here if you are downloading for the first time and click download for Windows. Here we are downloading such a program. Yes, the X file is openable. So here, click OK. Click Next here. Next. Here we select all. Next. It's as you like. If you need advanced program settings, click Yes. I need a default program. Click No. I don't need it, so we click Next. Here it is. While it is installing, go back to the browser, write RStudio download, go to the site. Right? That's it. And here, click Download RStudio. Or here we have RStudio. Click Download RStudio Desktop for Windows. Here we have already completed the R installation. Here it is. Here, then go to the browser. Click Install RStudio. Yes, open the X file. Click Yes. Click Next. Next. Well, the installation is underway. We are waiting. For example, our installation is complete. Yes, and accordingly we can open RStudio and work with the program. That's all. Like, subscribe to the channel. Yes, it will start 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Bye everyone.